In this video, we will look at the electronic components used to build STEM projects such as drones, cars, robots, circuit boards, and prototype models. These components help us assemble and create unique and innovative projects. Here, we are introducing the basic parts that we use to build a remote-controlled car. This car can be controlled using a remote controller or a Bluetooth device. As you can see, these are the components that are assembled together to build the car. All the parts displayed on the wall are used in this project. Using these components, we have successfully built this car. Now, let's run the car and test its movement. Wow, the car is moving very smoothly and performing well. This is our Mars rover model, which we built using a STEM kit. Here, you can also see a radio controller and a drone. These tools and components represent the future of innovation, learning, and technology for the next generation. They help students and creators explore new ideas and build advanced projects for the future.